Hello everyone. In this video I'll quickly show you the highlights of the Bonsai-scout app. What you can see here is a dendrogram layout of a bonsai tree made on the Tabula Muris dataset. And this dataset and its bonsai results are publicly available under this link. What you see are in different colors are that cells come from different tissues, but we can look at this tree in different ways. For example, in the dendrogram layout as here, but also in the equal angle layout, which we typically plot on the hyperbolic disc, automatically creating a fisheye effect where you can focus on different parts of the tree while the rest of the tree still remains visible but gets squeezed towards the edges of the disc. You can, in the app, for example, overlay gene expression for genes that you like. You can just scroll through and find a gene that is interesting to you. But except for visualizing, you can also use the tree structure to do downstream analyses. For example, you can decide to cluster the cells in, let's say, 8 clusters. And then we'll use the tree structure to create groups of cells that are maximally separated on the tree. Once you have found the clustering that you think is reasonable, you can add it as annotation, and then you can even go ask the app which genes mostly distinguish one cluster from another. So I'm maybe interested in this cluster 5, so I select it. And I then ask, give me markers for this cluster, and automatically I have selected subset 2, which is then all remaining cells. So this will run for a bit and then give us the marker genes. So values close to 1 mean this is a positive marker of the group that I selected. Values close to 0 mean that this is a negative marker. So these are genes that are up in the rest of the tree. So there's many more options in the Bonsai-scout app, but for a full detailed view you can either read the instructions or watch our other video in which we go over all the features. But what I still want to say is, if you are interested in making a bonsai on your own data, you can go to bonsai.unibas.ch, and there you can upload your mRNA count table, and we will run bonsai for you and give you a link to the results and that you can then explore in the Bonsai-scout app. We have also made a video that explains how you should upload your data. That's it for now. These were the highlights. If you have questions or feature requests or comments, please send us an email and we'll get back to you.